mind is considered to be subtle matter according to Vedanta. इसका मतलब क्या है? It functions on borrowed consciousness, isn't it? The reflection of consciousness falling in the mind is enlivening the mind and it is functioning. And it feeds on objects, sense objects to function, isn't it? You need sense data to think. If you actually see what is happening in your mind at this very moment, think and see, you are thinking thoughts based upon what you have seen, what you have heard. Your thoughts, your mental activity is based upon your sense perceptions. This is one of the inlets to the mind, isn't it? Your sense perceptions, what you saw, what you hear. Just now you are hearing this talk, so you are thinking along these lines. You are thinking about consciousness, you are thinking about mind function. This is one thing about your thought. The other thing is memory. Even if you are not taking in sense data, there is the unfolding of memory within you, which means in the past what you have thought will keep getting recycled in your mind. It blossoms forth as memory in your mind. This creates your entire mental world, your sense perceptions, sense data and memories. है ना? At any given moment of time, what is creating your thoughts? See, this is a very important question for you all, because usually you identify yourself only with thought, your thought world. So what is creating my thoughts? It is my sense perceptions and my memories. Now here, Yoga Vedanta make an enormous contribution, understanding for you. In order for you to understand entirely the mechanism of your mind, how you function. When you take in sense data from the external world, अब आप सोच लो आपने आज एक movie देख लिया. You saw a movie today. For the next whole 1 week, maybe your mind was brooding over that movie, thinking about the same thoughts. So the content of your mind was to a great extent decided by your sense perception. This is what I want you to see, right? Then what happened? As you go on repeating the things which you have seen in your mind, they will become habits. They will become sanskars. Sanskars means strong mental impressions. Then they don't remain in your conscious mind, they go into your subconscious mind. They will remain there. After a long time, maybe after 2 months or after 6 months, they will again blossom forth in the conscious mind, and then you call them memories. Right? They are nothing but recycled conscious thoughts. You put it in at some point of time, now they are coming forth as memories. So this entire cycle is going on day and night in your mind. This is a chakra actually, which is described in the commentary on Patanjali Yoga Sutras, Vyas Bhashya. It is so important for you to understand how your thought mechanism is functioning. You take in sense data, it becomes your mental impression, it is converted into your memory, and this cycle keeps going on and on all the time. And so you feel, I just can't stop my thoughts. Even if I close my eyes, I close all sense perception, there is the replay of memory. So you simply can't stop the mind. इसीलिए हम पूछते हैं, how do I get peace of mind? How do I stop my mind? How do I stop my mind from going into negativities? Because we have not understood this basic cycle. Now here, let us observe a few more important points. See, first thing which you should understand is, if you want to change the nature of your mind, what should you change? If you have understood this cycle, you will first of all change the input, the intake through your senses, what you are taking in, sense perceptions. You will change the content of that. You will commit yourself only to the good things in life, not to negativities. Many times you take in negative impressions from the outside, isn't it? And then this is the first thing you will change. Secondly, you will start working on your memories so that your memories are positive. Most of your thoughts are memories, please see this. So that you have good memories, positive memories, things which give you happiness and peace. So these are the two factors upon which you will work. So please see this, you change your life through your thoughts, through your mind. You change the very nature of your brain through your mind. You know, this is a huge field called neuroplasticity in neuroscience. It means what? The brain is very plastic. very malleable. At any given point of time, if you think the right thoughts, convert them into the right mental impressions and habits, they etch upon your brain, and that etching is called an engram. You know, your thoughts, the neurophysiological correlate of your thoughts in the mind is an engram in the brain. When these thoughts become deep in your mind, you are calling them sanskars, mental impressions. These are neurophysiologically called engrams. Actually, the etching of your brain occurs based on these thoughts, based on these sanskars. इसलिए इतना important होता है regulating thinking properly, our thought mechanism. Isn't this true? See your own life, and you will understand. If you have positive thoughts, if you have regulated, ordered thinking, clarity in the mind, you can achieve anything just like that. And if this is lacking, then you will be struggling with unnecessary thinking, all sorts of emotions, negativities. Somebody's comment puts you into depression. You'll be struggling with all this. But if I have a very regulated thought world, very clear thoughts, and a lot of awareness in the mind, then achievement is just a matter of time. Success is just a matter of time. So the essential point is for you to observe this thought mechanism perfectly and understand it.